And people often ask me, what's it like when you transition from the corporate world into your own business or your own venture or something? I mean, people have hobbies, things like that, that they want to monetize. I can relate to that because I was in the corporate world. And over the years, it was very satisfying until it wasn't. You know, the corporate world sometimes can get to you. And you often wonder, what if I was on my own? What if I was making my own decisions? So the best advice I give people who are moving from the corporate world into their own venture is to prepare, to realize that even though you may be unhappy with your corporate job, they do a lot of things for you, right? They handle payroll, they handle structure in your life, they provide a framework for discipline, but you're going to have to do that on your own. If you are transitioning to your own business, you're going to have to be disciplined. You're going to have to set your own schedule. You're going to have to build plans, and you do a lot of these things on your own. Now, I'm not saying that to discourage you from doing it, but I'm saying that's what most people don't realize. They don't stop to think about everything that is handled by their employer. That said, there's tremendous freedom when you go out on your own, and it's a great feeling.